Hello everyone, my name is Vedrin and I'm a technical analyst for BeInCrypto. So the coin which we're going to look at today will be Cardano or ADA. So it's a coin that has decreased considerably since the all-time high, which was reached sometime in September 2021, but it's showing some potential signs of a bounce. So let's jump right into it. First thing we can see is that ADA has broken down from this ascending support line. Now this is the logarithmic chart, so usually I wouldn't really like to draw a trend line in the log chart instead of like some sort of a curved line, but this one fits really well, so I decided to go with it. And now if we use a regular fib retracement tool, again it has decreased below all fib levels. It's at the 0.851 right now, so it's the final level, which is decent for a bounce. But also if we do use a log fib line, which you can find by the fib channel right here, you can see that it's still at the 0.382 level, which coincides with this 0.85 on the regular fib line. So there's a very good fib resistance here, fib support, sorry. But as you can see here, this bearish divergence trend line is still intact. So this one right here, it is still intact. So until it actually manages to successfully break out from it, then we can't really consider that the bullish reversal has occurred. And now the main support area, if it gets there, would be here actually, because there's like strong horizontal support here and strong fib support, but that's a long way down, so it should give some type of bounce even if it eventually gets there. Now, an important development is the fact that the weekly RSI is at 30, which, as you can see, so I'm just going to draw a line here, it's the lowest since this bottom right here. Now, in this case, we also had the COVID crash, which made the lower bottom on the price, but this actually, we can consider this to be the low. So basically, the weekly RSI is at levels that haven't been seen since 2018. And yeah, okay, so now let's move to the daily time frame. I'll just clean the chart up here. So what we can see at the daily time frame is that since the all-time high, ADA has been trading inside this descending parallel channel, and this May 12th low here validated the middle of the channel as support. Additionally, the daily RSI did generate bullish divergence, and also the RSI broke out from a descending trend line. Now, RSI breakouts usually precede the price breakout, so I wouldn't be surprised if this actually breaks out from this channel. And in that case, we would have resistance here at about 120. Like, this is a pretty strong resistance area. Or maybe we could get it even, no, that's a decent resistance area in my opinion. So yeah, as you can see, RSI broke out here. It's currently breaking out, and it's possible that the price will follow suit. And finally, let's move to the 6-hour time frame. So again, we have this longer term breakout here, or even this if you want to consider it, but it has broken out definitely. So if a price breakout occurs, it would be somewhere here at 65, and this also I think is close to the long-term channel. So basically we do have strong resistance here at this 65, probably maybe 70 level until here. So if the line has a slightly different slope, which I do think it will get there, but if it manages to break out from it, which I'm not sure if it will, then it could be the catalyst for an upward movement towards 120, I think was the resistance, yeah. Here, because, so yeah, this here also coincides with this outline channel. So tons of resistance here at 65.75. So we need to see reaction there. Okay, so that was the video for today. Thanks for being a part of it, and I will see you next week. Bye.